Every year, millions of fake sneakers flood the market. Here's exactly how the real ones are made, and how the fakes try to fool you. Every sneaker's story begins with the selection of raw materials. This precision is why a real factory can produce thousands of consistent pairs every single day. Materials are tested for strength, flexibility, and durability before moving forward. Precision cutting machines shape each panel that will become part of the shoe's upper. Every panel is sorted by size, ready for assembly.
Skilled hands and machines work together to stitch the shoe's upper.
Each upper passes through multiple stitching stages before it takes shape. The tongue is aligned and secured, piece by piece. Eyelets are punched and fitted, ready for the laces.
An inner lining is added for comfort and structure.
While the upper takes shape, the sole begins as raw rubber compound.
The rubber is rolled to a precise, even thickness. Molding machines shape the rubber into the sole's exact form.
Each sole is molded with deep tread patterns for grip and durability. The soles cool and harden before moving to assembly.
Excess material is trimmed away for a clean finish.
A lightweight foam midsole is formed for cushioning.
Adhesive is carefully applied to bond the sole layers together. The upper is stretched over a last, giving the shoe its final shape. Machines press the upper firmly into shape before attaching the sole. The upper and sole are carefully aligned for perfect attachment. Before a real sneaker is even assembled, it passes through more than a dozen quality checkpoints. Heat and pressure bond the upper and sole into one solid structure. A strong, seamless bond is checked for quality. A cushioned insole is added for comfort and support. Laces are threaded through, completing the shoe's structure. The brand's logo is stamped on, marking it as an authentic product. Every finished shoe undergoes a final quality inspection.
The finished product is carefully packaged, ready to leave the factory.
The process looks similar on the surface, but every single step tells a different story. In counterfeit production, materials are chosen for cost, not quality. There is no formal testing for strength or durability. Panels are cut by hand, without the precision of automated machines.
The resulting soles often have weaker grip and shallower.
Stitching is done quickly, often sacrificing precision for speed.
Every year, millions of fake sneakers flood the market. Here's exactly how the real ones are made, and how the fakes try to fool you.
Production spaces are small, with limited oversight.
Eyelets are added using basic tools, without precision equipment.
Linings are often glued in place instead of properly sewn.
There is no formal testing for strength or durability.
Molds are simple and manually operated, lacking precision.
Sole material is often made from recycled or lower-grade rubber. Midsoles are shaped manually, without consistent machine pressure.
Without proper bonding or materials, these shoes rarely last more than a few months. Even the laces show signs of the rushed process. The logo is replicated, but often imperfectly, revealing its true origin. There is no real quality control, just a quick glance before it's done.
Packaged in a plain box, ready to be sold as something it's not.
Two products, two very different journeys. One unmistakable difference in quality. Next time you pick up a pair, look closer. The difference is always there if you know where to look.